Alright. We started off spicy, okay? Big spicy. Big spicy. You ready, Poyo? You ready for this?
I'm not sure if I'm completely ready for this.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Universal law makes it happen.
Why you playing Big Diddy?
Playing the strawberry banana monkey.
Dude, what are you doing?
This
How do
is this video gameplay. This is that myth?
I... I feel like if something bad happens to me, like, oh, you're gonna be bad because you're a Kirby main. Stone in neutral?
Oh, well,
Why did I die?
okay. I know we dare sucks.
Why did I die? That hit.
I back there. I
What?
okay. Alright. I'm gonna go use.
Oh yeah, Dare sucks, alright. Dare sucks, alright. See? No, you can't. You just can't.
That's completely situational.
You love up smash, huh? Bro, it doesn't suck. It doesn't suck. Oh my god. It doesn't suck. Dude, does Kirby just win this? I don't know. The Kerbo. You're a recovery, so... Like... Let's get it. Oh god, you found the banana button. Okay. Almost broke your shield with down tilt. That missed. Why is that a thing? Oh god. No, you footstooled me. Okay, but I'm Kirby. I'm playing a Poyo character with a Buster recovery, of course. Yeah, man, I'll go for a B so early. But, okay. How am I not grabbing ledge? I just want it. I just want it. Man, go for dare, huh? Oh no.
That would kill. That would kill me. I would die. Nah,
Oh man, alright. Okay, alright.
That's silly. I have to play really silly here. That's too silly. That's way too silly. I'm behind you.
Okay. Ah!
Okay.
We both...
Down there.
Okay. This matchup weird. Big weird. No, no. No, no. Alright, I can't play Kirby. I don't know why, I just gave them a mind. I was like, alright, I'm gonna fuck with them and pick Kirby. um... I'm still feeling weird though, so... Hold on. Hmm... Who do you think Poyo's gonna pick?
Alright, I was thinking about something and I was just like, there's no way it's gonna. That's a bit too weird to be. This is less weird.
Oh, less weird? Bro. If we pick the same... Oh! Oh! What are we doing? Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! How mad would you be? Okay.
I don't know how. I don't know his combos.
No one does. You just throw Pikmin. Ew. Oh! 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 Why? Why did you grab me out of that? No, that's awful. Dude, I got the misfire and you just... Oh! Okay. No. That's so dumb. Oh, what? No! 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 No, not on a white Pikmin. No, this just stopped it? Both my misfires have just gotten canceled out, dude. That feels so wrong. I did. I did. I was like, alright, he's not gonna respect Dude. Dude. That was so wrong. Oh my god. Why does Olimar... Like, Olimar does have eyes.
I like to believe that his eyes are like that. You just straight up wait for that. I like to believe he sees through the thickness.
Oh no! They're not like... They're not like an extension of him. Does it bother you that Luigi's Nair sends up?
Oh.
Really? Oh no. Okay. Fuck. Don't.
Alright, well,
No!
Okay.
The most aggressive Luigi plays. The Luigi with no grab. No! No. why is that so strong? What game does Luigi have that?
I honestly have no idea. Like misfire just and that seems like both just
Okay, finally.
misfire. Oh no.
Really?
I
Really? You did. Imagine if Pikmin like got you out of hitstone.
That would be awkward. I know you would probably go for the up there.
I know. No, not. Dude, we're not in the. Bro, we're both just gone. And we're planking. Alright, so Luigi Olimar is very, very, very cursed.
Yeah. I feel like that's written like looking back.
Okay, just going for grab.
Okay.
My up tilt just. Why does my dare send you that way? Oh my god. No, come on. Hey.
I knew that backer.
Why?
I'm about to die.
Why? All right.
That whole thing, man.
I read that. I read that. If I got a misfire kill right there, dude, I would. Why? It's not, dude. It sucks so bad. Green missile sucks so bad.
Okay. I'm out. Okay. I'm back in.
You died. Why do you get a tether grab? That hit? Oh.
Okay.
No, the one time I get it. The one time. Okay.
I didn't think I hit you there.
I'm just dead. Oh my god, Luigi! Alright, you got it. Well. Alright. Luigi started to fail me. Luigi. Poyo, have you ever seen Adventure Time? It has nothing to do with Smash. Was just somebody asked me if I'd ever watched it. I said no, and then they asked if I've ever lived before. Oh, I've not seen the traitor in a hot minute. I didn't even play Donkey Kong last video.
Just like came right out the gate.
Why? Okay.
Okay.
Why? No.
Okay, I'm here. I'm here now. I wasn't expecting this.
I mean. Okay. Duh. Oh my god. I'm like above you.
Oh. Alright. I am just.
Frame 4. Frame 4.
I'm above you.
Come on, I wanted the sauce. I wanted the sauce. Okay. Oh! Oh. I think when you F tilted, because that move's fucking weird, it like moved your hitbox. Because like like her leg moves. Yeah, the trainer's fucking weird. Why'd they do that?
Oh wait. Oh, hold on. I just thought of something.
No. Don't get ideas. Don't do that.
Alright, I completely forgot. Okay.
Stop. 5 back kill percent. Stop. No, why would you jump air dodge? No, you're dead. No. Am I near? Yes.
Okay. Alright, you even like this every time for some reason. No.
Why? What?
Okay. 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 Alright. I don't know how any of that works, but...
No. No, no, no. Oh.
Okay, that was weird.
That was untechable.
No.
No. No, 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 no. That's just...
I slid. I was not really that.
How? What is this angle? What was that angle? That was so wrong. That was so wrong. That was so wrong. Dude, that was gross. Why does it send that way?
Why did they decide to just give a random character that really talks in a game that guaranteed barely knew about this reset? I don't know.
Dude, what is the salute the sun fucking move? Where's that from?
I have zero clue. This does not feel like something that you know we take.
For real, like...
I would like to move. I would. Oh my god.
No. You saved me?
I didn't think I would not.
Okay.
I turned around.
I did. I almost died. I'm fucking DK. Why?
Well,
Hiya. Bonk.
my god. That was weird.
Spot touchdown smash. Why? Okay. Why? No.
You did that early. You did that a lot earlier. I thought you would.
No way! No. Don't die to that. No!
What?
Yeah. Oh my god, that was so funny. Dude, why is Trainer like that, dude? We fit so weird. Why? And then Fair hits all directions, spikes backwards. You're scared. Man, hold and shield. Why? No. No. You just... I lived? With on DK? And you died? Oh, by DI? Okay. It did. What? Come on. Why? Bruh. Alright. No, not that. No.
I'm just getting up.
Yeah, you know, you lose your jump against DK, it's gonna happen. Why? Dude, no. No. You went for dare, dude. No way. Dude. No. No. Alright, alright, alright. Alright. Coming out. You already know. You already know what it is. You already know what it is. You already know what it is. Already know what happened. Okay. No, Garfield. No. I love how like Shredder came out and like nobody gave a flying fuck. Oh no. Oh. It's fucking what's his face? Nigel. Okay. He didn't grab the ledge from that. Ah. It just whiffed twice. You would totally die to that. Why? No. Oh, no. Oh. What? Oh! Why does that sit down? Am I just dead? Why did... I know, like... Oh no, I wanted it so bad. I wanted it so bad. I wanted it so bad, dude. Alright. Dude. Dude. Crazy. Follow the rainbow. Why? Oh, shot put. Okay. Why are you that way? Oh. Are you dead?
Ew.
You have flip kick. You have flip kick. No. I don't think I've ever seen you use flip kick before.
Even then, I'll try to fight something else. It has to be like, I'll definitely not fight those flip kick.
I'll deathly die. Bro, what happened?
Up there, and then no jump came out. That was just, that was it.
Oh my god.
Over if I jump.
You just jumped right off, dude. That's funny. Oh, dude, that was funny. Favorite that said hi y'all and then just jumped off. Dude, what the fuck? Favorite just hi y'all and just jumped. Why? No. I have a weird character next. Ooh. Okay. Why? It doesn't go anywhere. I meant to Falcon Punch. Oh, what? How do I DI this move? Okay. Okay. Why? Let's go! We got him, boys! We got him! Oh no! Oh no! About to say, poor line switching after that. That move scares you, doesn't it? Okay. Oh!
Oh, my grab is not long enough.
You're like, why? What is the DI of this move? Like,
yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna say it's random, to be honest.
oh, oh, oh. What the fuck? What? Dude, what? Okay, what? What is your brawler set, dude? So weird.
What if my move's not available? My down B is yeah. I can't use that. I have to. And then my side. This is like my nightmare for it. This is.
No, you don't have. You don't have a head on its all?
I don't have the recovery speed. Or my recovery up speed.
uh, uh, uh. Why? 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 Why is up smash so weird?
Okay. I didn't think you do that.
I'm just dead.
Yeah, you don't have that.
Yeah. It just goes nowhere. This man just jabs out a hit stun. It's okay. Yes! Yes! The Falcon Winter Soldier. You know, okay. Ah!
Okay.
Okay.
I tried. This is good.
Why? Why? Okay.
Why is this happening?
Yes. Why? No way that killed me.
Please. Oh my god.
I don't know how to deactivate. Okay, it doesn't matter.
Okay, I was dead at that.
Like. Okay. Weird, you ready for weird now? There's two characters on the beat. Where's he at? Don't pick the same character as me.
I have a feeling I'm gonna take a guess and say they're gonna pick Carol. I just get that feeling. Oh, that's different. That's different. That's not.
No, dude, not Sheik. Why? Dude, no.
You just saw it in Ninja.
Oh no. Alright, I'll play one more matchup after this, dude, because I don't think you're gonna want DDD Sheik for too long.
Alright, that's not what I thought. Please.
Alright. DDD with the sauce. I did a DDD combo.
Oh.
Okay. Why? Respect.
Just go up for there's a dire consequences now.
No, I wanted. You have been trying to hit me with this F smash for quite some time. Why'd you almost die at 49 to that? Back air just doesn't.
It's hard. Yeah. Thank God I had to. You're going awfully far right now.
Alright. Bro, you ready to see these happy feet right here? Okay. Oh, what?
No.
What? What? Wait, you danced back and then ran back into it. What the fuck? Bro, that reminded me of that meme. It's like, you better scramble like an egg before you get folded like an omelet. What did he say? Bro, you see that TikTok? I think I said it to you. It's like, alright class, what comes after the letter C? 4. What the hell? Dude, it's so good. It's so good. Alright class, what comes after the letter R? PG. What the hell? What? No. How bad would you be if I lived that?
I think that would have been the rest of my spot. I would have felt off.
I would like to play game. I would like game play, please.
Oh.
Okay.
I have to change like every habit I have. Just down there.
Yeah. Yeah, you don't play Stolen Falls.
Why are you this way?
Oh.
Okay. Alright. Okay.
The star. Oh wait. Bro. What the fuck? You died to the Gordo throw. Like no.
Not even the Gordo itself wasn't even like fully like separated.
Oh my god, dude. Alright, I got one more. Got one more. Oh my god. Okay. Hmm. Oh.
There was nothing. You could have told me you were playing Bowser Jr.
No. I've not played him since like the week he came out. I was still at my other house. Why? Forgot Sora's recovery is like that. Fire!
Ooh.
Okay. Wah! Okay. Okay. You're just dead. All right. Spot dodge? That's the gameplay you get? Okay.
I actually did not know.
I did not know.
Ew.
Does this not have a scoop hitbox? Duh!
Okay, I wasn't prepared.
Oh my god, you missed. You asshole. Okay. Dude. Man, like, I did not know he had a counter. Dude. Sora's so weird.
You got the beta recovery.
Why FD again? Also, why Roy?
I honestly, I just saw it and I was just like, I feel like playing Fire more.
No. I went for it. Oh, that, bruh. The first one was a sour spot, but that one wasn't.
I can't grab you. You're never on the ground.
Okay. From there?
Yes.
That has to be a thing, right?
Alright, well, no, there's no way, right?
Does that bother you? Why would you do that, and why did it work?
Okay,
If I did it the other way, you're dead.
Yeah.
When you went for that...
Alright, well, can't stay dying and
Fuck! Fuck. What's happening? Oh, okay. Dude. Alright. Sora's too weird. One more. One more. So we're too weird. It was on my mind, and I'm like, all right, let's try it. Bum, 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 bum.
Man, I can't bring myself to play this one. I just looking at him. Like, yeah.
All right, Pizzle, this is for you. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
I have no idea how to play this character, but I just get the feeling he's my kid.
Oh yes.
Okay. I'm sure I'm playing. In any other scenario, I would not have made that.
If you were Pit. How? 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 Okay. Yep. There we go. Ask Pizzle. Ask Pizzle. Ask Pizzle. Ask Pizzle. This is all. This is all. This is Pizzle. This is Pizzle fan club. Yes. 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 Plant fucking blows, huh? But you're not using Patui like a lot. Yeah, you just gotta use that.
Just provided it. I'm below you. Bad, you're bad.
Pizzle, bro. What the fuck is your character? Dude. Pizzle, what the Alright, I got a spike with Ridley Dare. I'm happy for the day. You know, you did. That happened. You got killed by like the Gordo, like not even like the projectile, just like the hammer toss of the Gordo. And Pit is still Olive Garden. GG. Is Rita? You already know? Booze!